Best Desktop Reference Organizer Review. In this video, we will share with you one of the most popular desktop reference organizers in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We will share with you some of the features of what makes this reference organizer so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to set this up and use it right away. The one that made our list is the Durable Desktop Reference System. This reference system provides easy access to information people need every day. There are 10 sleeves displayed which can hold up to 20 letter-sized sheets with adjustable index tabs for quick reference. It features easy load, crystal clear protective sleeves that prevents creasing or tearing of the inserted documents. You can easily expand this by up to 60 sleeves, and is adjustable to read either in portrait or landscape mode with the glare-free document sleeves. All the hardware you need to set this up is included in the set. To check out the full specs of the Durable Desktop Reference System and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/desktop-reference. Here's a quick look at this reference system. So there you have it, the Durable Desktop Reference System. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and its overall functionality, we feel that this set is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Durable Desktop Reference System and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/desktop-reference. Alright, thank you for watching.